Welcome back to my van build. It's a big day in the build today because we're getting the worktop fitted, and Heike here is helping me out massively with a job that there's no way in hell that I could do. We'll go through it, shall we? Right, so do you want to talk through what you're doing? Your special skill that I definitely cannot do.
Well, I'm a boat builder by trade and a lot of other things, but I make tables, and Ben asked me to do his worktop for him. So that was an arse board that had a big crack in the middle, and you can see there it's not quite long enough. And we've got another part of the board here that you can't see at the moment, which had a bit burnt out, so I cut this out and filled all of those cracks with epoxy. So it will look really nice. You can't see the epoxy well yet, but it will be nice and blue and shiny. And we're just about to fit the worktop. We had a bit of a problem of the board warping a bit when it was waiting to be fitted, which we didn't quite expect to happen, but we're now pinning it down, and we clamped it down last night so it went really flat. And so we're now doing the last steps to fit this one first, and then we fit the other board straight onto it.
Oh, it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna look amazing. So we got this piece of ash. I'll chuck some pictures in the video of what this originally looked like, because it looks massively different now, and it will look different again once it's actually fitted, won't it? But she's as you can see, filled it with this blue resin, and now we're gonna make it fit. So I'll chuck a few videos. Heike did a video before of you clamped it down, and just some sort of videos of the resin going in, didn't you? So yeah. I'll chuck those in the video, and then now I'll time lapse everything from start to finish, and then we'll get it in. Cool.
And then it will look super.
I cannot wait. Let's do it. started this worktop at 10:30 this morning. It's now 7:30 at night and we're calling it a day. It's in and it looks amazing, but it's not yet finished. There's still a bit of work to do, just last few finishing off bits to get it 100%, but it does look incredible. Let's take a look. Just look at that. Doesn't it look awesome? It's only had one coat of oil at the minute, so it will get a little bit darker. These edges need sanding in still, but oh my god, doesn't it look incredible? Oh, it looks great. I've got to drill my tap into here as yet. We're not going to seal anything yet because it's not actually in properly yet. This was all warped a bit, so we're just screwing it down, letting it settle, give it a few weeks, and we'll take it out again, sand it down, flush, and fit it properly. I'm going to router in, or I'm not, Hiker's going to router in this pop-up socket, so that needs to be done, but that can all be done after my trip to Scotland. I'm just desperate to get it in for that trip to Scotland. It now means I can finish off my plumbing video, which will be the video to follow this, so look out for that. But Hiker's done an incredible job of this. If any of you want live edge work done, resin work done in your van, and you can get to Suffolk, then she's the person to do it. So I'll chuck her details, her Instagram details in the description below this video. But I'm so happy with how that's come out. It really just sets off the van. So yeah, chuffed with that, really chuffed with it. I've really enjoyed actually just watching her do it. I've just helped where I can really. She's done all the hard work, but it does look incredible. It really has set the van off. But yeah, it will all the finishing off bits will get added onto my odd job list, which is getting longer and longer every day. But it's been a good day, really good day. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button now, because I don't want you to miss any more of my videos. I keep trying to get a video out each week, or sometimes 2 a week, sometimes one every other week, but I do keep getting videos out. There'll be more to come of me travelling about in the van and the adventures we're going to get up to. So like the Scotland trip coming up, so look out for that. If you've liked the video, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.